What if 5 copy-paste prompts could hand you back an entire workday every single week? Whether you're doing a job, freelancing, or building something on the side, the people quietly winning with AI aren't smarter than you. They just have better prompts. I'm giving you my 5 best ones, free, right now. Number 4 is the one most people have never seen. Quick question before we start. How much of your day goes to emails, meetings, planning, and reports? For most people, it's over half. That's exactly the half these prompts kill. Let's go. Prompt 1, the brain dump organizer. Paste this. I'm going to brain dump everything on my mind. Turn it into a prioritized action plan. Group related tasks. Flag the 3 highest impact items and estimate time for each. Then just talk. Messy thoughts in, clean battle plan out. Planning your day now takes 4 minutes. Prompt 2, the email machine. Paste in any email you receive and say, draft a reply that is polite but direct, keeps my commitments minimal, and is under 100 words. Match my tone from these 2 examples, and paste 2 emails you've written. It learns to sound like you. Inbox hour becomes inbox 10 minutes. Prompt 3, the meeting decoder. Paste your raw meeting notes, or a transcript, and use. Extract every decision made, every action item with its owner, and every open question. Format as a table I can send to the team. You instantly become the most organized person in the room, and nobody knows it took 30 seconds. Prompt 4, the one almost nobody uses. The pre-mortem. Before you start anything important, try. I'm about to do X. Act as a harsh critic. List the 5 most likely ways this fails, and how I can prevent each one now. This prompt has saved me from more disasters than any other. It's like borrowing hindsight before the mistake. And prompt 5, the weekly report writer. At the end of the week, paste your task list or calendar and say, write my weekly status update. Lead with outcomes and numbers. Keep it scannable, professional, but human. The task nobody enjoys, done before your coffee cools. Here's the part that compounds. Save all 5 in a note and use them every day this week. Individually, they save minutes. Together, as a habit, that's where the full workday comes back. And if you're freelancing, that's billable time. That's real money. So, which prompt are you stealing first? The brain dump or the pre-mortem? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this saved you time, that like button genuinely helps a small channel grow. And next up, I'm testing 7 free AI tools that honestly feel illegal to know about. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is A Amplified. See you in the next one.